So my dog is almost 80 pounds. She's half pit bull, half a German boxer. Her mom was full pit. Well, as full as pits get, I guess. I don't know. But her dad was a German boxer, and she just came back from the vet today and got her vaccines, and everything is good. She's just overweight. Not supposed to be a 80-pound dog. She's supposed to be like a 60-pound dog, but I feed her a lot of protein and stuff, so she's like pure muscles. But anyway, she's a power chewer, so power chewers, toys don't last very long with them. She's even gone through Kong toys, just ripped the heads right off a Kong toy. She's very strong, but I got homemade doggy toys that she loves. She loves this water bottles. When she was a puppy, she loved playing with water bottles. Then she got strong enough to start chewing pieces off of them, and we don't want plastic inside of our doggy's belly. But sock. So I'm going to make a doggy toy. I'm going to put this water bottle inside the sock so she can't tear pieces off it right away. I'll tie the ends of this sock. Of course, make sure the sock is clean. You don't want them eating your nasty, dirty, sweaty shit, and it stinks. But gonna tie both. Put this in there. Tie both ends. And let her run around and chew on it, play with it until she rips the sock apart, which won't take very long, right, Pumpkin? All right, let's do this. So I got the water bottle inside there. Gives it that nice crunchy sound. You ready, Luna? You ready? What do you got? Give me your toy. What is it? What you got? Look how happy she is. Like, yeah, I got a new toy. I got a new toy. And dog toys are expensive as hell. Every time I buy a dog toy, she disintegrates it rapidly, and I'm like, dang, did I just really spend $8 on that toy? Even the ones that are supposed to be for power chewers, just. But I give her something that's pretty much useless and going to be thrown away anyway. So if she does destroy it right away, at least it wouldn't have cost me much, and she got toys to play with. Give me that toy. Give me your toy. Give me, come on. Alright. Alright, Pumpkin. Pumpkin don't get toys because she don't play with them anyway. Second toy. Now, she likes toys that have squeakers in them, but she destroys them right away. Like this. Look at that. Chews off the chunks, and sometimes she swallows the pieces, which is not good at all. So, if I just give this to her, she's going to lay down and sit there and eat that shit. So what I could do to buy time is the same sock trick. Put it inside the sock, tie both ends, and then it'll take her a while to get to it. Then when she finally gets to it, then I take it away from her again, right? So let's try that. And there you go. A little squeaker ball. Inside the sock. Give me that. Give me that. There she goes. Happy camper now. 2 homemade toys, right, Pumpkin? Selfish. She won't even let Pumpkin have one. Give me your toy. Luna. Luna. Give me your toy. Get your toy. The Pumpkin got it though. It's okay. Pumpkin usually won't even chew with it or play with it. She'll just keep it by her and not let Luna have it, just to antagonize her. And then Luna will circle around her and bark at her until she chases Luna Then she'll double back. Luna will double back and grab the toy. Smart. What'd you do? Luna? What did you do? Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Give me. Pumpkin, that was just rude. That was rude, monkey. El Fuego está caliente. They say when the mountains are blue, your beer is cold as the Rockies. My mountains are white, which makes sense because it tastes like I'm drinking piss. Bonito. A little spot on her ear. I just noticed it not even a week ago. I thought it was a tick at first, but it looks like it's like a wart. Wart or a mole or something. Something new. Never noticed it before. Pretty sure it wasn't there before. So. She doesn't look good to me, but now I found her. Simply irresistible. My poor garden got done for the year. Oh, Luna's tearing apart the sock now. Don't eat the string. What do you got? Oh, a muddy ball. Where are you going? You can't play with that ball in the house. No, come on. You can't play with that ball in the house. You know, Mama don't like the thumping sound either. Gotta wash that thing, dog. What do you got? What do you got? Get your toy. Get your toy. Oh, a rainy, ugly day. No. No, we gotta wash that. Give me your toy. I gotta wash it. Come bring it over here. Don't put that on the couch. I see what you got. I see what you got. Give me the toy. Come on. Come on. That's a cute thing. What are you doing? Fish, what are you doing? I know it's rainy out here. It wants to play, but it's cold and rainy. So this new thing, noticed the past couple weeks, she's got like a wart or something on her ear. See it? Right there. At first I thought it was a tick. Not a tick. wart or something. The hell is that noise? Hold on, I gotta go investigate a strange noise.